Hello! I'm Ange Wilson of GnomeAngel, and I'm here to teach you skills to help build your confidence and conquer patchwork with ease. Let's get it started. Step 1. Get the pattern. Click the link in the description below to get the free pattern sent straight to your inbox. While we wait for your pattern to download, let me tell you my joke of the day. What's a nosy pepper do? Stick around to the end of the video to find out the punchline. Let's get back to our tutorial. To make this block, you'll need the following supplies. An optional nice to have is the From Marty Michelle Perfect Patchwork Template Set T. If you'd like to know more about this nice to have, then check out the information in the description below. Step 2. Cut your pieces. I've cut my pieces here using the From Marty Michelle Perfect Patchwork Template Set T. This is why I've got triangles where you will have squares if you're using the trim to size method. Not sure what the trim to size method is? I've got you covered. Check out this video on how to make half square triangles. Step 3. Join your pieces. Join piece A to piece D. If you're using the trim to size method, you'll need to trim your HST to 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches before you start sewing your pieces together. My construction method reflects the templates that I've used to cut the fabric. If you're using the templates, you simply match up the edges, starting with the points, working your way down, keep them together while you're sewing, and sew a 1/4 inch seam off the edge of the fabric. It's simple. There's no trimming, there's no adjusting, you just join and press. My quick tip for those of you chasing accuracy, press your pieces as you work. Step 4. Join your pieces. Here, you'll join your pieces to make 3 rows. As you can see, I press to one side with these pieces. It's up to you, whatever your preference. I usually press to the situation. Because I didn't have to butt these seams up against other seams, I press to one side. Step 5. Join your rows. I join row 1 to 2 and then 2 to 3. However, the order is completely up to you. I'm a big believer in pinning, and when it comes to joining rows, I work from one end to the other, nesting seams as I go and pinning away from me so as not to move the seam join when I'm pinning. Completely up to you how you pin. This is just the way that I do it. Remember, you'll need to remove your pins as you sew. Don't run your sewing machine over the top of them. Step 7. Put on those dancing shoes because you've finished your block. Enjoy! If you'd like to make a quilt with this block, the free pattern has all the instructions for making a 60 inch by 60 inch quilt. Perfect for snuggling together on the couch. If you loved making this block and you'd like to make more, why don't join me for the 100 Days 100 Blocks Challenge, where we make one patchwork block a day for 100 days. If you made this block, I'd love to see it. Why not join Society Gnome, our exclusive online platform where you can connect, make friends, share, learn, and laugh. If you'd like to learn from me in person, why not come on one of my creative retreats with Sew Travelry? Details about Sew Travelry, Society Gnome and 100 Days 100 Blocks can be found in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Remember our joke of the day. What does a nosy pepper do? It gets jalapeno business.